Hi everybody, and welcome to True Wants, where here we try to help you make that decision if it's going to change from a want to a need. If you are new to my channel, I really hope you will choose to subscribe. It's free and it's easy. It's the red button you'll see right underneath this video. If you press it and it turns gray, you're in. It's that simple. There's also a bell beside that subscribe button that I always recommend that you press. It's called the notification bell. And what ends up happening is YouTube will notify you just once that I have uploaded a brand new video. I do upload a lot, and sometimes my videos are time sensitive, so I don't want you to miss out. So make sure to press the subscribe button, ring the bell, and you'll be in the know. Also in that same area, there is a thumbs up. That's important on a YouTube platform. If you're enjoying the content of a creator, please take a second to hit that thumbs up button. Supposedly YouTube, if they see enough of those, they will take our videos and place them in front of other people that just haven't had an opportunity to meet us yet, but they do enjoy this type of content. So I'm thanking you in advance for helping me grow on this huge platform, and it's simply by hitting that thumbs up under the video. All right, today I'm really excited to share with you, I finally got my IPSY Plus, but there was a small little dilemma. On the outside of my package, there was a note on here from a sticker from the post office that says received unsealed with somebody's initials. So it was completely sealed now because of the post office with this big priority tape around it, but I wouldn't have known anything if they didn't put that, post office seal on it. So when I opened it up with one eye, hoping that everything was going to be in there that should be in there. And as you know, I make notes for myself so that everything, I use it as a packing slip so that all the information I can get to share with you and myself, to share with me and with you guys, because I need it for myself, because I don't know a lot of these products, they're new to me. I want to make sure that the information that we share with each other is one that we can, be educated about and learn how to use the products, in the best way possible. So when I went on, I saw that one of them was missing. So when we finish filming, I will then write to customer service to tell them that I'm missing a product. IPSY's customer service is usually really good. I find that I do get an answer back within 24 hours. Understand that everything that I share with you that I pay for is in my own personal account. It's not coming to True Wants, so they don't know that I have a channel or any of that. It's solely a customer writing in that, there's a problem. So I hope, that they're going to be able to replace the product, because it was another new brand to me, and I love being able to try new brands so I can share with you guys the information. So fingers crossed. So we'll see what happens. Has anyone ever gotten that sticker on a package that they received a package unsealed? I have never seen that in all the time that I've been getting packages. I've never seen that before. So please share with me if you have down in the comments. Okay, so let's go through this one at a time, what we got. So if you're not familiar, IPSY Plus is the version that used to compete with the BoxyCharm base box, which is a 5 full-size products in a bag that costs $25 free ship to your door. The difference is that in IPSY, they always give you a bag. It used to be a cosmetic bag. Now they've changed it into these cute bags that are fantastic to use for so many things. I'm able to use it in so many different ways that I enjoy this bag so much. So this is not included in the 5 count. This is something that IPSY does different than other boxes. The first item that they chose for me, I was so excited. And I share with you guys that at the beginning of the month when we go through all the add-ons and the choices and things like that together. I was so excited that I got this. HipDot is a new brand to me that I got introduced to through BoxyCharm with their Xeon palette. If you see this Xeon palette, it is beyond stunning. And I got so impressed by that eyeshadow palette that literally didn't matter what eyeshadow was arriving that month. I used it almost every single day. I just couldn't get enough of it. So to have the opportunity to try another product from HipDot, I'm over the moon. And this is the one that I got. And this is the one they chose for me, because I would have chose this for myself. So I'm just really happy. And the graphics on this are stunning. This is the outside envelope that it comes in. That's the product that's in the back here. And this is the same here, and it's called the Sun Goddess. So let's read what this is all about. This says it is the Sun Goddess face palette. They're saying this is an $18 value. They're saying this is full size because everything in here is full size. It says this is a blush and highlighter palette. It's soft, blendable, buildable, and made without sketchy ingredients like parabens. They're saying this is a bronzer, blush, and highlighter, that's even better, palette that checks all the right boxes. The matte and shimmer shades instantly perk up your complexion and give your skin the luminous glow too. They're saying use a makeup brush to swirl the pigments onto the apples of your cheeks and your cheekbones. It's vegan and cruelty free. And they're saying that HipDot is an exhilarating, energetic, and bold. It's rewriting the rules of beauty with products that let you be your most creative self. So really, really excited, like I said, to have gotten, there's a full mirror in here on the top, and it has one of those safety shields, and the colors look stunning. And I will definitely be swatching this at the end of the video. I am so excited that I got this. So like I said, that is the first one. The second one that I got was going to be a duplicate item for me, but it is the type of duplicate that, not because it's a duplicate because I got it when I'm very lucky that at the beginning of the month, I got some PR from IPSY to True Wants to the channel, and I think that is really fantastic. So I'm able to share so much with everybody prior to the choices because it came early, and we got to get a sneak peek of stuff that we can possibly get in our boxes. It was so much fun. So this one here is one of the items that I got, and this is one that I'm definitely going to be passing along because this is a brand that I've absolutely loved. But when I've passed on this brand to someone that I care about, they ended up falling in love with it, but to repurchase this, it was a big dollar. But this is reasonably priced. This is the Juice Beauty. It is an SPF 30 oil-free moisturizer. It has broad spectrum, and there's 60 mils in this, and this is a $30 value. They're saying if you only apply one product in the morning, make it this multitasking moisturizer. It uses organic aloe leaf juice, pomegranate extra, and sea algae to hydrate, soothe, and repair your skin, plus an SPF 30 to shield from the harmful UV rays too. Apply a generous amount as the last step of your morning skincare routine. This is an oil-free formula and is perfect for acne-prone skin, which is me. They believe in advanced beauty solutions that harness the best of certified organic ingredients to deliver clinical, validated skincare and vibrant plant pigment makeup. I'm so impressed with this Juice Beauty line. I know that one of the celebrities is very involved in this. I think it's Gwyneth Paltrow, and some of the serums and stuff that I've had from her, I've really enjoyed. And like I said, to replenish them, they were over, $100. But I got very lucky. I saw them in add-ons and things like that, and I was able to, when I fall in love with a product, for family members and stuff, if I can get it at a discount, I like to pass those on after I've tested them. So this one is one that I'm really very happy to get it, like a second one of, because SPF when you live in Florida and anywhere that you live, but more importantly here, it is so important. I mean, it's not called the Sunshine State for nothing. Not that you would know in the summertime here, because we have been going through storms like I have never heard sound effects like I'm hearing living here. It's a whole new world. All right, this one here is called the Juice. This one also is from Juice Beauty? No. Yes. Wow. Okay. This was my first choice. This is the Prebiotix. It's an instant flash face. This is a $52 value. You see what I mean by the prices? This one is a 16 mil and it is a full size. It is a face exfoliator. It is good for dull, dehydrated skin. That you will love the glow boosting effects of this treatment mask. It exfoliates with AHAs and plant beads. It brightens with vitamin C rich lime caviar and contains a biofermented complex to balance your microbiome for the optimal skin health. For a quick exfoliation, massage a generous amount onto your damp skin in a circular motion and then rinse. But you can use this as a mask, and it's a mask exfoliating treatment, so you can leave it on for up to 2 minutes and then rinse. So this sounds very similar to me to the Kate Somerville, which you have to be really careful, because these products, when they're usually very concentrated, so you do not go past that 1 minute or 2 minutes, because you'll end up burning your skin. Like, that's how I know with the exfoliate that happened to me. So I'm I read instructions now, and I make sure if it says 2 minutes, it's 2 minutes. Then rinse. It's made with organic ingredients and eco-friendly packaging. They say that about the brand, they believe in advanced beauty solutions that harness the best for certified organic ingredients to deliver clinically validated skincare and vibrant plant pigment makeup, which is what we just read before on the other one. This one should have a safety seal, which it does. Let's see if I can open it just a bit so we can just see a little bit. I'll put it on and then I'm going to remove it right away so I won't have any problems. But I just wanted to see. Okay, it has a very clean scent to it. And that's what it looks like here. you can feel the exfoliation inside here. It is so minuscule. You wouldn't see it, you'll only feel it. That's how it is. So really, really excited about that. So I'm just gonna quickly take this off, but really, really excited to have the opportunity to try that product. The next one is another brand that I'm excited to try, and it is this brand called Dr. Eve RYouth. My choice. This I wrote was my choice. It's a vitamin C and hyaluronic acid. It's a Hydrabright night moisturizer. And I enjoy so much sleeping masks and night moisturizers because I grew up more combo, more oily to combo. But now since I've been living in the States, I've got oily, I got normal, and I got dry. So I'm able to test so many different products just on different areas of my own face. It's just too funny. My skin has changed so much living in this climate. So they're saying this is a $90 value. So they're saying this is full size and it's 50 ml. It's a moisturizer. It says, wake up to the glowiest skin ever. It is a nighttime moisturizer that brightens, pumps, and revitalizes your skin while you sleep. So it's a sleeping mask with 1 to 2 punches of vitamin C and hyaluronic acid. This is exciting. So this one says, even apply a pea-sized amount of this cream onto clean skin at the end of your PM routine. It contains the most stabilizing form of vitamin C, which is AKA L-ascorbic acid, to help deliver the best brightening effects. They're saying about the brand, after researching the best active ingredients on the market, Dr. Eve RYouth set out to combat the signs of aging with their cutting-edge formulas. Really excited, like I said, to have the opportunity to try so many new brands. And then this is what this looks like here. And then we'll put this on here. I do not smell any scent at all, which I prefer on my nighttime regimen so that I'm not woken up or get any migraines from any scents from a sleeping mask. Yeah, there's no scent at all. And this feels really, really hydrating. Really, really pretty. Very, very excited about that. Okay, then the last item that I was expecting that I didn't get was an eye gel from a brand called High Beauty, and it is a $42 value, and it was an eye gel. So hopefully, like I said, I know exactly what's missing because of my notes that I take. But like I said, the card that you receive in here just has, you know, good information in it, but it has no information in reference to the products. So that's why I do this ahead of time. But I also like that I want to also swatch the HipDot for you. It also helped me when I saw that there were only 4 products, and I know there's supposed to be 5, to know which one was missing, to be able to write to them to tell them exactly what's missing. So fingers crossed they'll be able to replace the items. So here we go. So I'm going to swatch these colors here that are from the palette. They feel beautiful. This one here is called Sunbeam. This one is called Golden Hour. This one is called Radiance, and this one is called Sheer. Really, really pretty. All right, oh, and they go on so smooth. Oh, look at that. And those with the fingers. Look how, see what I mean by pigmented? It's crazy. So really, really excited to get this. So that's everything that I got in my IPSY Plus for the month of July. Please share with me in the comments if you're still waiting for your bags too, or if you've received yours, and if you've had the opportunity to try any of these products, or if you would have chosen any of these products for yourself. Like I said, this is heavier on skincare because those were my choices that I chose based on what my selections were. But the one product that I would have definitely chosen for makeup was the one that they chose for me. So really happy about that. And that's it for today. So thank you for joining me, and I will see you all again soon in my next video. Bye for now.